What's up, DIYers? Welcome back to another DIY with DIY-T. As you can tell by the title, I am bringing you another beauty DIY, and this time it is for your skin. We are going to make our own DIY coffee scrub. But first things first, let's get into the actual benefits of coffee for your skin. Coffee has been known to have loads of benefits besides just waking you up in the morning. Coffee is known to reduce under eye bags and circles, increase blood flow for brighter skin, which fights hyperpigmentation, and to my darker skin ladies, we know that production of excess melanin makes us have uneven skin tones, and this DIY scrub helps me fight the appearance of my hyperpigmentation. It works as an exfoliant as well when used as a scrub, so I use it about once a week to help fight not only my hyperpigmentation, but the appearance of cellulite and stretch marks. And now that we're familiar with the benefits of coffee, let's get into the actual ingredients. First ingredient up for our coffee scrub is, of course, coffee. You need the purest and blackest of coffee beans. This one is specifically imported from Puerto Rico. Yeah, I'm just playing. You just need some coffee beans. It doesn't matter the brand or the color. Just get some coffee beans. My next ingredient of choice will have to be grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is the GOAT when it comes to the skin, y'all. It balances the production of sebum. Sebum is the natural oil that your face gives off throughout the day, and God decided to give me a little extra, so I'm always shiny, so this oil really helps me with balancing the production of that. It also fights off acne and scars, and it works as a double agent containing vitamin C, which also helps brighten the skin. So like, I had to have this in my mask. Of course, you'll need a container for storage, and my last ingredient will have to be coconut oil. This works as a moisturizer, a lip balm, under eye cream. Like, coconut oil does it all. You got a flat tire, use coconut oil. You bald headed, use coconut oil. If your man acting up, use coconut oil, y'all. You need some coconut oil in your life. Applying my scrub, I like to move my fingertips in a circle so that I can exfoliate my skin before letting the scrub just soak. And after about 10 minutes of wearing the scrub on my face, I went ahead and rinsed it off. After you wash your face, you will have like sort of an oily film on your skin, so you can go ahead and cleanse with a foam cleanser, something really gentle, nothing too harsh. Once my skin is nice and clean, I like to pat it dry with a paper towel. I rarely use towels when washing my face just because I don't like the transfer of dirt. And then I like to go in with my favorite toner, which is rose water and glycerin, just to bring my skin back to its natural pH. And you are done, guys. I go ahead and store it in my refrigerator for later on. Easy, simple, but so powerful, guys. Another DIY completed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and DIY, it's worth a try. See you later.